I was pleasantly surprised with this sandwich. I thought it was going to be trash. It's not trash at all. It was very good. I had four slices of turkey, 2 slices of roast beef. Fried it up with garlic salt and Cajun seasoning. Toasted my bread. Put the chicken dipping sauce on the bread. Put a little hot sauce in it. Oh, about to die.
Hello, welcome to our mukbang. I'm Easter.
And I am Younga, obviously.
And today we're having sandwiches. So I just have a regular ham and cheese. And then the white cheddar tortilla chips.
I got the rosemary crackers. I have pickles with tapatio on it. I was looking for tahini and I don't know why it just keeps disappearing. Nobody else uses it except for me. So I don't know where the hell, like, where it's walking to. But every time I need it, it's not there. And then I got a sandwich, right? I toasted the bread. We didn't have much produce, so I have red onions in it. I have cheese. I have roast beef and turkey, and I put that chicken dipping sauce in it. And I also have chicken dipping sauce, like, so I can dip my crackers in it. I also added garlic salt and Cajun salt to my sandwich.
And then today we're going to talk about Kim Kardashian and Kanye West. So we're going to take a couple bites in and then we'll discuss the topic. How are you guys doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay. Welcome to our new subscribers. Welcome to our family. Thank you for replying in our comment section. Thank you for pressing the like button. Thank you for watching our old videos. We really appreciate it. And we also appreciate those who are watching our playlist to help with our watch hours. I hope you guys have a good week.
I hope you had a good week as well.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm fine.
Okay. Is this about the tahini?
Yes. It's about the tahini. I wouldn't have put pickles on my damn plate if I knew that the tahini was going to be somewhere else.
So what's new, everyone? What you guys been up to? Put it in the comment section. We love our comment section. So I don't know if you guys seen, like, because it's been trendy now, and it's been, like, going for about a week or so, where they said that Kim and yeah, Kim and Kanye, they were saying that. Kim and, what did I say, Kanye?
Sorry to this man.
That
I don't know this man.
that they might get a divorce. But he's bipolar, so he was saying, I guess he did some random tweets saying that Kim and Chris were going to lock him up. And then I guess he had like he was at Atlanta or somewhere, and he was saying that his dad wanted his mom to have an abortion when she was pregnant with him. And then he said that he wanted Kim to have an abortion when North was born. And then that's when Kim was really upset. But she said that she doesn't want a divorce, that she would never leave her husband, that he's just going through a really serious disease. And I guess they try to send him to doctors, but he's like refusing a doctor, or he's refusing any help. But she said that she wouldn't get a divorce, that she's gonna be here for her husband. I don't really know about bipolar. I know, like, I guess personality changes are like different mood swings, but not, I don't know about the whole bipolar, like everything about it. But it seems like a serious disease if you don't take your medicine. And they're saying that Kim didn't really want to discuss about his bipolar because she wanted to keep that private, just her and her family. So she didn't really like talk more about like his bipolar until now. Do you guys know about bipolar? Do you know anyone who is bipolar? And how did it affect your life?
So, bipolar disorder, to put it simply, is a brain disorder causing unusual mood changes and shifts in energy and level of activity. These moods are known as manic, hypomanic, and depressive episodes. But is there just one kind of bipolar disorder to fit all cases? No. Much like other mental illnesses such as anxiety, which includes types such as generalized anxiety disorder, social anxiety, and panic disorder, there are many different types of bipolar disorder. So it's like an imbalance in the brain that affects your moods and to the extremes. Must be really hard because he's in the public eye. Like, it's hard in general, but when you have everybody looking at you, you know, it just kind of makes you out to be the crazy one for Kanye. And I can understand why Kim would want to keep it on the low and not have, like... part of me is like, oh, I like when celebrities kind of bring light to, like, oh, I have this condition. Because it kind of, like, gets discussions going, and then people find out more because they go into a rabbit hole of researching. But a part of me, like, empathizes with Kim because I'm very protective of, like, the people I love. And I feel like when you're in the public eye, it just gets harder. Yeah. And then people just, like, if you have a condition, they just, like, no, they kind of throw that on you and then that's it, you know? So it's kind of, like, could be used as a weakness.
Yeah.
And you know how the media is. They'll do anything for some views.
Yeah.
So if they have headlines that say, you know, Kanye is bipolar or Kanye is crazy, you know, people are going to read it.
Yeah.
I love Kanye's first album. Haven't been listening to him after that. But that was before all this stuff happened. I'm not a Kim Kardashian fan either, but, like, I'm not a hater also. Yeah. So, kind of indifferent. I mean, maybe if I were fans of these people, I would care more. But I think she's just... Kim is trying to be a good wife and trying to hold her husband down. And her husband, you know, he's going through his shit. And it's in the public eye, so it just makes it, like, 10 times worse.
Yeah.
So hopefully everything's okay. I heard that he had tweeted that that she and her mom, Kim and her mom, tried to lock him in a closet, or they tried to send him away, and that he was, you know that movie Get Out?
Oh, yeah.
He was saying that everybody knows that that's about him.
Oh, man.
Have you seen Get Out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have y'all seen Get Out?
Crazy. That's a trip. You ain't happy?
Yeah. I've heard that joke. People would say, oh, Kanye West looking like he's gonna get out, you know, when he got with Kim. Because he was around his white passing girlfriend and her family. Oh, she's Armenian, right? Something like that, I don't know. But then, like, if Get Out is about you, where's your friend? Didn't the guy in Get Out, he had a friend that was looking for him? Yeah, the funny friend.
Yeah.
Who's your funny friend then? Kanye? If Get Out is about you. I don't know, these people. I don't really have any strong feelings about it. I hope that Kanye never becomes president. Yeah. And it's just tough because he's, you know, in public. Hopefully he gets the help that he deserves. And hopefully Kim and her mama can stop locking him in the closet, if it's true. Hopefully his funny friend, if Get Out was about him, hopefully his funny friend can show up soon. Hopefully Kanye West doesn't become president in the future. hopefully I can find my tahini at the end of the day, because hopefully Easter could stop side-eyeing me.
What?
Because that's not,
Okay.
that's not what I remember before. If you guys have watched this video from the beginning to the end, thank you so much for watching it. If you have been subscribed to us for all this time, thank you so much for your continuous support. Make sure that you subscribe to my solo channel. I'm gonna be over there more often. Also, if you aren't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe right now. Make it easier for yourself. We drop new content every single day, whether it's a live or a video. Easter knows how to edit, so now she can put out videos when I'm not around. She can't be like, I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to edit. I'm gonna go live. And make sure that you thumbs up the video. You share this bitch out, because sharing is caring, and the more the merrier. Make sure that you light up the comment section, because the comment section is where we get litty. If you haven't, please run our playlist. It takes about like maybe 2.5 days to run the whole playlist. We need over little over 2,000 public watch hours left, and then we need about 300 and something subscribers to meet our goal to try to get our channel monetized.
Awesome.
Yeah. So, yeah, help us out.
Please.
And if you know people who don't know about us, let them know about us, okay? Also, we do our Monday family meeting lives every Monday at 3 West Coast time. Come through. We can have you on the panel as well. Follow our Instagram if you haven't already. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my solo channel, because I'm over there lonely as fuck. Y'all just want to be over here and haha and kiki, but just go check me out, man.
Please hurry.
Go check me out. I don't have as much content as I have over here, but I'm working on it. I gotta build it up. I'm back on the grind. Until the next upload, we'll see you guys later. Bye.